Good afternoon, traders, and welcome to Trading Waves, a short video where we will be looking at a pound chief. So we're going to be taking a quick recap, but before you can continue, guys, please just pause the screen and then just go through the disclaimer. Right, so let's have a look at pound chief. I'm going to be showing you how we have been able to spot this move here on a pound chief, and what do we expect going forward. Right, so if you remember very well, if you follow the weekly outlooks, you would have seen this one coming, because I spoke about it several times, even though I was speaking this on the 4-hourly time frame, that we are expecting some move to the up side. I see a very big move that is coming. Obviously, I'm going to show you how we have traded this year and what do we expect going forward. All right, so guys, please take note. We do have a course that will be starting on the 5th of December. So if you want to be part of that, you can sign up at Trading Waves. You can just visit our site there, and then you can take advantage of the special that is currently running there that we have. You can get up to like 50% off on our special. It's a month of November, so we will normally have a Black Friday. So we've decided to just give it away for the whole of November. We're going to be running this special here. So, like I've said it, you can just take advantage of that and then book your seat and be part of that course starting on the 5th of December. That course does not not just a course alone. It also gives you an access to our mentorship, where you will get ourselves, myself, and the other analysts that we will be giving you guys some wave count on the daily. We update our charts twice. That will be a New York, that will be a London Open, and also New York Open. We also got a live market analysis just before London Open, where we look at the instruments. Right, so let's get exactly to it here. So pound chief, we have been talking about this year that we should be getting a move to the upside. So somewhere around this area here. So I'm just looking at this last leg. So we're looking at this to be a three-wave move structure that is going to drop lower here, and somewhere around this area here we had a blue box. So we were expecting that this was going to make a move to the up side. So even when we got around this area here, like we explained to our member that this was not done, we still expected to see a move to the downside before we can expect a move higher. Like I've said it, we do this here every day, London opening, when we do have the live market analysis. I'm gonna take you through this short video here, where I want you guys to see how we have been able to explain this to our members. So I'm gonna play this here. It's gonna be a short play. Just listen and just watch that there. Right, so I was explaining that we are looking for a big move to the upside that was related to that first leg, which is our wave A. So the number of pips that we're looking there is about 1,400 pips move that we were expecting. You will see that we've already had a blue box. So I was explaining to the guys that as much as that hit the blue box, but it was not done. So we had to at least get that one more leg lower. So that is me that I was explaining there. So I'm going to hold it there, and then let's go straight into the chart and let's see what is happening right now with the pound chief. Right, so now we are in the chart here. So when we last saw in that video, we were somewhere here. We were explaining that we should get this one to drop first before we can expect to see this move to the upside. Yeah. Now it has done so. This has made the drop to the downside, and from here, this has made about 368 pips or 370 pips move to the upside. Yeah. Now, I know the big question is, what do we expect going forward? Like I've said it, I'm going to show you that, guys, I don't just want to show you how we have been traded this here. It was not happening behind the scene. It was happening live with our members. Now that we are here, now if you look at this here, it has made what appears to be a five-wave move from these lows. I'm referring to this here. This has been our wave one, our wave two here, this being your three, your 4, and this should have been our wave 5. Now this looks done from this low here to this high. Now I do believe that we are correcting this cycle from these lows here to this high. Now you would expect, based on the fib guideline, that your wave 2 should trade as far as around between your 5061.8. Now if you pull this here, you will see that we have retraced. We are almost at around the 38.2. Now what I would love to see is for the price here to at least take this 38.2. I still want to see this drop lower here, and from here if we see a three-wave move pull back against this swing high here, this should still drop lower and then come somewhere around this area between your 50 and 61.8. That's where you're going to be expecting that your wave 2 is going to terminate. Then from here we will be looking for this move to the upside. Obviously right now I'm showing you this in a simpler correction. There is this path, this move to the downside can take different path. It's just that this one has dropped more lower here, so it's almost confirming that we are very likely having this to be an ABC, to be a simpler correction. But sometimes you're gonna find these are here giving you maybe like your WXY structure or your W correction or your 3E711 swings. But enough about that. Those ways there. So if you're not familiar with that, you don't have to worry. You can just jump in into our course. Then you will explain those in more details. But the simple thing that we are looking here for on a pound chief, that I would love to see this playing out. Can this be invalidated? Obviously it can. We are all trading in probabilities, but if this does play out exactly as we are expecting, yeah, just complete this three-wave move structure. As long as this is still holding above this swing low, yeah, so we're going to be looking for this big move to the up side. And again, just to show you on the 4 hourly time frame, where is this coming from? Okay, let's just do this here before maybe I come back to this. Now, if you look at this on the 4 hourly time frame, we've made a move to the upside here. No doubt about that. There was a nice impulsively move to the upside here. So this made this move to the upside here. And then now what we are seeing here, that this has dropped in a three-wave move lower here, and then give us another three-wave move to the upside here, and then this being our connector, and then again this is traded lower in this three-wave move. So structurally we are looking at this being your W here, this being your wave X, and then this to be our wave Y. Like I've said it, we've seen this big move to the upside. Yeah, there is about 1,400 pips. At some point we need to see a move that is going to be related to this one. This to have been our wave A here, this being your wave B here. The WXY is completing this wave B. Now we are expecting to see a 5-wave move to the upside that is going to be your wave C. So like I've said it here, we could even be having something like this. This becomes your wave 1 of your wave C here, our wave 2 here, then have this one give us a wave 3, and then this be our wave 4, and then this to be our wave 5. So that's why I say on this lower time frame, your 1 hourly time frame, that we are expecting a very big move to the up side. Now back to the chart, the pound shift chart that is labeled here. As long as the price it is going to stay above this swing low here, so we are simply looking for the pullbacks, that whatever we see here, it should be giving us a move to the up side. So three-wave move pullback against this swing low here, we are going to be expecting that your pound shift is going to give us a very big move to the upside. Like I've said, it is about 1,400 pips from here. Now this has only made about these 370 pips here, so we still short about 1,030 pips move to the upside that I still see coming on your pound chief. Right, so guys, hope you take out something from this here. And again, don't forget to take advantage of our special. If you love our content, please do make sure, guys, that you click that subscribe button and make sure that you hit that bell notification. That's if you do like our content, so that every time we release this free content here, you at least notified. Right, guys, from my side, that's just a short video that I wanted to share with you. Cheers, everybody, and have a good one.